Oh goodness, get this one. Oh, get this one. Hi Beautiful Soul! Today we are repainting my old fan. I've had it for about 6 years and I painted it blue, so it was more than just like this little clip-on on it to kind of signify that it was mine, because I took it to camp where there was no AC. Everyone had a box fan, but today we are repainting it a sunflower because I think everything about me is obsessed with sunflowers. We're gonna open it up, clean it up, repaint it, and then seal it back up. We just came back in from playing outside. I was tired. Tears tired. My parents got me this toolbox as a Christmas gift because I'm always pulling things apart, putting them back together. Hope I have paint. We're probably gonna end up using the same paint that I used for my door. Hi, what are you doing? Huh? So I'm gonna come lay right on ya. I believe. Voila. Oh my goodness, this is a mess back here. This is all gonna be brown. Oop. Hi. I feel like a waitress. I think I'll scrub this with a toothbrush. I don't know if this paint will peel. Oh, the paint will come off. Oh, yay. Hey, that's not for you. That's not for you, silly goose. I think we're just gonna eliminate the temptation. Although you did just go lay down. It's like a luggage clip-on palm. Okay, so hi, baby. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this into the bathroom, scrub it down, and then grab a burnisher and see if I can take off the paint on the petals. I guess it's technically gonna be petals because that's gonna be the yellow. The before and after. Got a wet washcloth. Oh, lovely. Oh. Okay, so some of the blue paint is actually coming off. Oh. Well, it comes off. Oh yeah, this will come off. Wow, that was a heck of a lot easier than expected. I was expecting like nail polish remover, scraping it, maybe even putting gesso over it because it wouldn't come off, but okay. One more. Oh, that was easy. I think I'm gonna wash the rag, wipe it down again, and then dry it and pull out the paints. Should have done a close-up of the before. This will have one of the after. Oh, my hair is just like wrapped. That is nasty. Now, I grab some paper towel. I have no idea what I have left from my door. Oh, not much. Let's see what we can do with golds that we have. Start light and go dark. Honestly, I kind of like that as it is. I really like that because it's already got different shades from the water kind of mixing with the paint. Love. This is going to be really hard to clean if I ever decide to do it again. Okay, now I'm going to give that time to dry. This is her close up. Okay. Oh, do you want to do it? Guess not. It goes this way. Keep this on for old time's sake. Like a little sunflower. He's gonna go lick the mirror. Oh. Is very loud. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see some more of me or of Cedar, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, open one letter. Suggestions are always welcome. If this inspires you to do something similar, please post and tag me. All my social medias are the same, and I hope you have a wonderful day.